Hello, Momsies! This is your Momsis Cheng and it's so nice to see you again. Dahil sa sobrang sakit na makunan or mamatayan ng anak, posible kayang makaranas ka or makaramdam ka ng depression? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Momsies, this is a very sensitive topic at alam natin that depression is a very serious problem. Question is, after miscarriage or losing a baby, posible kaya na makaramdam ka ng depression or mental struggle? The answer is yes. But on the other hand, may chance ba na maiwasan mo ito or hindi mo ito danasin? The answer is also yes. Okay, so what is depression? A true person who is suffering medical condition of depression is a result of prolonged and extreme sadness. Ito yung kalungkutan na hindi matapos-tapos. And survey says that depression is the leading cause of suicide nowadays. At wala itong pinipili kahit sino ka pa. Some people think and other people said that kaya ka depressed kasi mahina ka. But depression by definition is actually the result of unmet need. At madaming tao na may depression ang nagsasuffer nito in silence. That's why, Momsies, kahit mahirap i-discuss ang bagay na ito, I still choose to share it with you for you to be more aware of your feelings and emotions. Sadly, I've experienced the same thing. And unfortunately, I was not aware na iyon na pala yung depression. Nalaman ko lang na depression na pala yun kung kailan ako nakaalis or nakalaya doon sa sitwasyon na yun. So maybe I hope by sharing it with you, it may help you to find solution from the battle and suffering that you are facing right now. Kapag bagong panganak ka, posible mong maramdaman or maranasan yung tinatawag natin na baby blues or postpartum depression. Ito yung pakiramdam na malungkot ka, nag-aalala ka, irritable ka, or pagod na pagod ka. Sabi ng science, normal lang lahat ito. May mga mommies or babae na nararanasan lang ito sa loob ng ilang araw at meron din naman na matagal bago sila makarecover from this kind of situation. Pero paano naman doon sa mga momsies na nakaranas na makunan, nakaranas ng stillbirth or neonatal death? Pag-iisipin mo pa lang, ang hirap na 'di ba, nakakalito sa pakiramdam. Ano ba 'to, depression ba 'to, mourning, or what? Losing a child is a different story, lalo na kung may kasama pa itong traumatic experience. The effect of that experience may bring too much sadness, pain, emptiness, suffering, anger, at marami pang iba. But momsies, remember na lahat ito pwedeng pumasok sa isip mo. But the good news is, you can always choose your thoughts. Meaning, pwede mong i-filter lahat ng pumapasok sa isip mo. Pwede mong piliin yung mga dapat mo lang entertainin at pwede mo rin naman piliin yung mga dapat mong tanggalin. And momsies, minsan you also have to accept that you are weak. Kasi tao ka lang. So it's okay to cry and have a meltdown. In fact, our biblical heroes also face the same thing. Therefore, whatever you feel is valid. Kaya kung pagod ka, magpahinga ka. It's okay. But momsies, do not quit. Yes, your heart may be broken right now, but at least you don't have a broken hope and you don't have a broken dreams. Momsies, hindi madaling makawala or makalaya sa depression at wala ding shortcut para dito. Kaya wag mo itong sukuan kahit na mahaba pa yung proseso. You have the power to regain your authority. And I'm glad na sa panahon na ito, marami na ang open sa ganitong topic. Marami na ngang mga celebrities and personalities na hindi na sila takot pag-usapan ng ganitong klaseng usapin. Madami na din yung mga nagsusulong ng depression awareness. Nagkalat na nga rin sa social media kung ano ba yung mga signs, symptoms, effects, and ways to overcome depression. Mamsis, help is always available. Kaya sana maagapan natin ito. At kung sa tingin mo nandito ka sa sitwasyon na ito, please seek support. Communicate with your partner, with your family. Always take care of your physical and emotional well being because prevention is better than repair. So I hope you will be brave enough to heal yourself even when it hurts. Mom says there are natural and medical solutions, but we have to understand as well that the greatest physician is nothing but God. And we can always depend on His power and authority. So that anxiety, that fear, that pain, that emptiness, that suffering, nail it to the cross and find rest in God as this battle belongs to Him. That's it, Momsies. Thank you and see you again soon.